Alright. Put this on YouTube so all the kids can see how to get going on the swings. Good start. There you go. Keep going. Go, Chelsea, go. Go, Chelsea, go. There we go. Now we're cooking with gas. Uh-oh, here she goes. Better back up. Now you're moving. Go, Chelsea. Woohoo! Yes. So all the poor kids who can't get going to the swings can find out how to do it. Nice job. Sticking with it. Now you're going. Woo! Can you go any higher? Whoa! What's the name of this place, Chelsea? Do you know? Starts with an M.
What's the next letter?
I.
Next letter.
N.
Minitrag.
Like that. Drop it! Don't drop it! Oh, you owe me a new phone.
No, I don't. Stop!
Daddy, stop! Alright, I'm stopping.